If you guys saw my video from 4 weeks ago, I planted some fall vegetables, herbs and flowers, and let me show you how they are doing. So this is that bulb radish plants. Look at them, they have become so big. And wherever there were some places left, some seeds didn't grow, I planted new seeds, so they are also growing. But the ones that I planted 4 weeks ago and they germinated, they have become like 6 inches tall now. Then here I have the saffron plants germinating. You can see I had planted these bulbs here and so many of them have started growing. In this planter I had planted peas, and they have grown really tall. As I told you that I've had great success with peas, so they are about 10 inches tall, and I have put these stakes so that they can get support, otherwise they will lie on the ground and not grow that well. And you can see that some of the stakes are actually sticks that you cut from your bushes or trees, and you let them dry and you can use them as stakes. I always tell you that whenever you are pruning your bushes or trees, and if there are any straight stems which are thick enough, you should let them dry and use them as stakes. So these pea plants are doing really good. Then here I have marigold. This is the French marigold plants. Now they are ready to be transplanted. They are about 3 to 4 inches tall and they have true leaves. And here are the parsley plants. They took the longest time, but now they are growing well. And I had also planted some cilantro. You can see here they have grown about 3 inches tall and they are doing well too, and they are sprinkled all over in this planter along with pea plants. So they're all doing great. So hopefully by November end I'll start to harvest some of these. Actually the radish probably we can harvest by October end. So if you have not started on fall planting, start doing it now. There's still time. See you later. Bye.